What's up, guys? Today I got a different video for you. Today we're going to be working on a Mercedes. It's a 2010 GLK350, and the complaint of the driver was that she smelled oil, smelled like it was burning from the car. So she brought it in, and I'm going to show you guys what to do, how to diagnose it, how to fix it. So you guys, come check this one out. All right, guys, so the customer brought a Mercedes GLK350 in. It's a 2010 model, and her complaint was that when she was driving the vehicle, because she could smell oil burning, and she could also, when she turned it off, she could see smoke coming out from the radiator. So she was a little bit panicked. She brought it in, and I explained to her it's a pretty simple fix. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things to look for if you're working on one of these, and that way you guys can fix it yourself. So let's get the camera turned around, and I'll show you what it's all about. All right, as you can see, I've got the cosmetic cover off of it. If you got to take that off, of course, the front half just pops up, pulls off. The back half will have this little metal clip. You just flip it to the back, and you pull the back half off. You can work the front intake air tubes. It's got little clips right here. You just pull it up, pop them right out. So there's a couple of different things on this vehicle that you can look for. There's the cam covers. They're located here at the back of the head. Here's one, and then there's also a small one on the passenger side, which is right here. Easy way to check it is take your finger and run under them. No oil, no problem. Same way with the other side. If you do have oil leaking out of that, you can simply pry them off. I'm not gonna pull it off, of course it'll break the seal, but it's just a thin plastic cap with a rubber insert that wraps around it. This one on this side is the same way, the big one, but you can just work them off by hand and then replace them with the new ones. Same way with that small one there. But that wasn't where it was leaking. So since we knew our cam covers wasn't leaking, the only thing left is the positive crankcase ventilation, or they call it a crankcase vent. As you can see, it's right here. There's 4 bolts. You can see this one and this one's on the top. There's also one under this breather hose, and then one the back towards the bottom. So, I don't know if I can get the camera in there to show them or not, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this hose off. And these are E-Torx bolts. That's what they look like. That's just an E10. That's what you'll need to get it. So let me get the part number of the new box, or the new part, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the part number. I ordered this one through AutoZone. You can get these pretty much any parts place. There's the number, so you can cross-reference them. And this is what it looks like. You can see this is where the hose goes on that I showed you, and there's the 4 bolts that I was talking about. And all that is a plastic cover with a little rubber seal. And that rubber seal is deteriorated, letting oil run down on the manifold. And that's where the smoke and the oil smell is coming from. So let's get everything out, and we'll set this up, and I'll show you guys how to take that apart. Super easy to change. You can do it yourself, save some money. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is pop this rubber hose off. You just pull it and it'll come right off. And like I said, there's 4 of those little E-Torx bolts that we need to remove. So you're gonna reach in there with a ratchet and put it on the first one. They're not very tight at all. So what I would recommend doing so you don't drop them is just break them loose with the ratchet and back them out by hand. And there's what they look like. So we're gonna take all 4 of them out, and then we'll be able to get the crankcase cover out of there. have to do is just break them loose. And they'll pull right out with your finger. Number 3. And last but not least, number 4, which is the hardest one to get to. There it is, number 4. So you just pop this off, work it off, and you see how the seal has stuck. So make sure if your rubber seal comes out of your old case, you find it, because it's down there. Just pull it out. And we'll clean that with a rag, make sure there's no oil in anything, and put the new one in. Want to clean your mating surface, get all that oily mess off there before you go back with the new one. Check everything, everything's good and dry. So we'll stick our new one on, pull that little plastic cover out of there. See the seals on that one. So we'll just line it all back up. There's a little shaft in the center. You want to make sure you get it lined up correctly. And it just fits on. So start just in the opposite of what you did to take it off. Tighten your bolts back up. And you are done. Put these in first since they're easy to get to. I help hold it in place. Make sure my bolt holes are lined up before I get down in there in those blind ones where I can't see what I'm doing. Alright, so you just want to snug it up, and it ain't gotta be crazy tight. Alright, and then work your way back around. Do the other 3. Alright, and do your final number 4. This one is pretty tight to get in. Alright, that's got all 4 of them tightened up. And you'll just slide your breather tube back on it till it hits the stop here. And that is a job well done. Alright guys, so then you'll just put your intake cover back on, snap that little clip back over it, hold it down, put your hoses back in here on each side, put your front piece on, and you're done. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, hit that thumbs up. Check the links in the description. We got some cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. And if you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. You guys have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time. Y'all have a good one.